Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a suitable pen drive and opening Windows backup tools as an administrator. First, plug the USB in and confirm the drive letter. Once done, format the pen drive to NTFS to avoid file size limits. This matters for system images and large app files. Now open Control Panel Backup and restore Windows 7 or Settings Update and Security Backup for file history. Make sure you have enough free space, and then select the option to create a new backup or image to start. You now choose the specific backup method and configure details. If you need a full restore, select Create a System Image and pick the pen drive as the destination. Include the system reserved and C, partition. For recurring file backups, turn on File History and add the USB as the target, then pick Folders and Retention. Make sure compression is enabled to save space and leave verification turned on so Windows checks integrity. Once configured, start the backup and monitor progress until it finishes. You finish by verifying and safely storing the backup. After the operation completes, let Windows verify the backup, then safely eject the pen drive and label it with the date and contents. Next, test a restore. Restore a single file from file history or mount the system image in disk management to confirm readability. If you need to recover fully, boot to recovery environment and choose System Image Recovery. Troubleshooting tip. If the USB is not detected, try another port, reformat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.